Are you looking to start a new career as a freelance writer but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm going to share with you the best tips and tricks for becoming a successful freelance writer. Learn how to find clients, build your portfolio, and more. Get ready to unlock the doors of success and start your new career today. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Freelance writing is a great way to make money from the comfort of your own home. As a freelance writer, you can work on projects for companies and individuals, writing content that meets their needs. To be successful as a freelance writer, you must have certain skills such as creativity, excellent grammar and punctuation, research ability, and the ability to meet deadlines. You should also be familiar with SEO and other marketing strategies to ensure that your content reaches its intended audience. With these skills in hand, you can start applying for freelance writing jobs online or look for copywriting or content writing jobs in your local area. Here are 5 proven tips for becoming a successful freelance writer. 1. Know who your target audience is. Knowing your target audience is essential for any successful writing job. It's important to understand who you are writing for, what their needs are, and how you can best communicate with them. To do this, you need to conduct market research and gain a deep understanding of your reader. With this knowledge in hand, you can craft content that speaks directly to the needs of your target audience and resonates with them on an emotional level. 2. Develop your writing style and voice. Developing your own writing style is key to becoming a successful writer. It's not just about finding your voice, but also about honing it to become more distinct and recognizable. The writing style is an important part of creating content that stands out from the rest. It's also a great way to make sure that you are producing content that resonates with your readers. By understanding what makes good writing, you can develop a unique style that reflects your personality and allows you to communicate effectively with your audience. Through practice and experimentation, you can refine your writing skills to create compelling stories that capture the attention of readers. By learning how to craft effective headlines, use descriptive language, and keep your readers engaged, you can develop an author voice that will help you stand out from the competition. 3. Invest in professional tools and resources. For any writer, it is essential to have access to the best tools and resources available. Investing in professional tools and resources can help you become a better writer. Professional tools for writers can help you create content faster and more efficiently. They can also provide valuable feedback on your writing, allowing you to make improvements quickly. Best resources for writers also provide valuable information on topics such as grammar, style, and structure that can help improve your writing skills. Investing in these professional tools and resources will ensure that you are able to produce high-quality content with ease. 4. Familiarize yourself with different writing genres. Writing is an art form, and it can be approached in many different ways. Whether you're writing a blog post, an article, or a book, it's important to be familiar with the different types of writing genres out there. From technical writing to creative writing, each genre has its own set of rules and guidelines that should be followed. By familiarizing yourself with the various genres of writing, you will not only become a better writer but also be able to write more effectively for different audiences. 5. Research the market and find potential clients. As a freelancer, it's important to research the market and find potential clients. This can be done by using a job search platform for writers or by networking with other professionals in your field. Doing this research will help you understand the needs of your potential clients and give you an idea of what they are looking for in a freelancer. It will also help you determine which types of projects are most lucrative and which ones are best to avoid. By researching the market and finding potential clients, you'll be better equipped to find success as a freelancer. In the end, please comment to share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and check out our other videos. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.